Hello students, good morning to all. Standard 5 subject maths. Students, I hope you must completed your all previous work. So let's continue this chapter 3. And the page number is 42, question number 10. See all of you, concentrate here. A rectangle of 8 square centimeter is given. You can see here this is a rectangle of 8 square centimeter is given. Draw two straight line. Here we have to draw two straight line and divide rectangle into one small rectangle. This rectangle we have to draw two small line and we have to divide a small rectangle and two equal triangle. And find and write the area of a new shape format. This is the format is given that we have to find out area of the new rectangle, area of a triangle 1, area of a triangle 2. So how can we find out? Here in the question is mentioned that we have to draw two straight line. So I will tell you how to draw. See, all of you concentrate here. First, this is the mention that we have to draw two straight line. So it will come a small rectangle and it will divide two triangle also. How can we make? We can make like this. First, I am making a one line. Why? Here I am draw this line because I have to make a one small rectangle. You can see here there is mentioned one small rectangle we have to divide. Then two equal triangle. So let's draw one more line because in the question is mentioned two straight line we have to draw. So like this, if we divide this, so we get one small rectangle and two triangle. Now we have to find out the area and we have to write here area of a new rectangle. Area of a new rectangle is 1 and 2. That is called 2 square centimeter. So here you have to write 2 square centimeter. All you get? You all can see here. Okay. Now see here. This is the two triangle is divided. So how can we find out this two triangle is how much area it's get? So first read this. Count this 1, 2. This is 2 full and 2 half. So that is called 3. Okay. So here we have to write 3 square centimeter. Okay. So if you see this is both are equal. So this is if 3. So this is also 3. How can this 2 and this half of that is called 3. So here you have to write 3 square centimeter. Understood? So if we'll count it, this is total 3, 3, 6 and 2. So 8 square centimeter. Here is given 8 square centimeter. This is the shape of 8 square centimeter. So we'll get this 3 measurement. Okay students. So let's see the 11th one. See here. Which of the following object has more perimeter? Tick in the box given below. You can see here this is two objects is given. We have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out which is the more perimeter object. How can we get? We can get from this. We have to see the area of perimeter. Perimeter means what? Outside of the measurement of the any object. You can see this is look small. To see this on this have the perimeter is small. This is have the more than the bigger. So more perimeter we have to tick out. So this we have to here we have to put the tick. Okay. See the 12th one. Find and write the area of the shade part of the shapes given below. You can see here, this is the two parts. Two pictures are given. One part have shade, one is not. So let's see how to find out this. Here we have to find out what? We have to find out area. Okay, so let's find out the area. Count inside the place of area. 1 2 3 4. So 4 square centimeter. See the second one. This is 1 2 3. 3 half and 3 full. 3 half matlab means 1.5 and 3 full. So here is 4. 4.5 square centimeter is total area. Okay students, now see, come on page number 43. See the question number 13. Find and write the area of the shapes given below. You can see these are some shapes are given inside that we have to find out. The A. So A we have to find out and write here. How can we find out? So we all know how to count the area. So like that we have to count the area. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. So 6 square centimeter here we have to write. Here is no half, no less than half, no more than half. Only the proper square is given. So simply we can count it. So here 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means 5 square centimeter. Here 1 2 3 4. So 4 square centimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 square centimeter. And the last one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here we have to write 9 square centimeter. So hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you.